Notion versus Airtable as a simple CRM. Which is better? In this video, we're comparing Notion and Airtable when used as a simple CRM to help you decide which platform is the better fit for your business. And I've added links to both products in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Notion and Airtable both let you organize contacts, track deals, and manage simple sales workflows, but they do it in very different ways, and that difference matters when you're building a lightweight CRM. Notion is an all-in-one workspace built around flexible pages and databases. It's ideal for teams that want a unified place for notes, documentation, tasks, and CRM tracking without switching between apps. You can create tables to track contacts, deals, and interactions, build custom views, link records, and embed calendars or Kanban boards, all within the same workspace where you manage your knowledge base and project plans. Notion's biggest advantage is simplicity and contextual clarity, so your CRM sits alongside your docs, tasks, and meeting notes in one interface. Airtable, on the other hand, is a hybrid between a spreadsheet and a database, designed to give you more structured data management and automation possibilities. As a simple CRM, Airtable lets you build contact and deal tables with linked records, create multiple views like grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery, and set up automations to trigger status changes, email reminders, or notifications. Airtable's custom fields, filters, and integrations with other tools make it more powerful than a traditional spreadsheet, but it still stays approachable for non-technical users. When comparing features, Notion wins for context and flexibility. You can turn your CRM tables into documentation, link them to onboarding checklists, meeting notes, and project plans, and keep everything in one unified workspace. This makes Notion great for teams that value context and want all their knowledge and customer data in one place, rather than having CRM isolated in a separate tool. Airtable wins for data structure and automation. Its database foundations let you enforce consistent data relationships, set up multi-table links, and use automation to reduce manual work. Airtable's views and filtering are more powerful when tracking pipelines, deal stages, and activity metrics in a structured way. In terms of usability, Notion is easy to adopt if you're already using it for docs and tasks. Building your CRM feels like an extension of what you already do. Airtable may take a bit of setup to configure your tables and views, but once done, it gives you clearer insight into pipeline status and interactions. Pricing for both scales with advanced features. Notion's paid plans unlock more blocks and sharing capabilities, while Airtable's paid tiers add more records, automations, and integrations. So which one is better? If your priority is a simple, unified workspace where CRM lives alongside your notes, docs, and tasks, Notion is the better choice. If you want a lightweight CRM with more structure, clearer data relationships, and automation options, Airtable is the superior option. Your decision ultimately depends on whether you value flexibility and context or structure and automation.